You are so beautiful to me. Well, how is your goofer look?
Dressed for success.
Very distinguished. Oh, Gopher, I'm just so proud of you.
Well, I guess you can make a silk purse out of a sow's ear. Things won't be the same around here without you, Goph.
Thanks, Doc.
Ah, Gove. I'll never forget you were the one that got me started with this crew.
Hey, don't pin that on me.
You're gonna dazzle them in Sweden.
Yeah. I guess we've all been through a lot together, haven't we?
We're family, Gove.
All right.
Good luck, Gopher.
Thank you, sir. People mean so much to me, I feel like I'm the luckiest guy in the world to have you all as friends.
Come on, goofer, we must go now. Bye-bye, everybody. Oh, not to forget my party tomorrow. Oh, you must see my beautiful new horse. It'll be gangbangers.
Gangbusters.
Whatever.
Bye. Vice President?
That paint. Ta-da! So, Goofer, what you thinking?
Not too shabby. I can always fix it up.
I love it! It is fantastic! Look! Oh, it's beautiful! I've never seen anything like it.
Who's this?
Oh, that is Papa. The business he is away, but soon you meet him. Oh, you will like Papa. He is much fun.
Anyone can see that. Okay, all right, here we go. Oh, I think I'm gonna like it here. Oh, this feels good. What are these buttons for?
These peoples consummate your stuff. Rune is answering phone for you. Sven is reading mail for you. And Birgit, she makes for you lunches and disappointments. Tack så mycket.
Well, at least I still make the decisions.
No, Papa, the decisions he makes. I go now. I have many plans for the party to arranging. You, will I be seeing?
Okie dokie.
Bye-bye, Goofer.